Guys, today I'm going to explain how you can make money with this indicator, and I'm going to tonight I'm going to explain how you can actually make money with this indicator. It's PADB, this one star zone, and we are going to make it of 30 minutes time free. Okay, quick one. Let's flashback. So we only need 2 indicators on this strategy. We only need 2 indicators, and maybe I say 3 indicators with color line. We need color line, we need monster zones, so SP monster zone, and we need EMA 200. So in this kind of situation, first thing you have to do this. Let me start from here. When you want to use this thing, when you want to place your side trade, your candle must be below your 200 EMA, and what's it called? Your candle must be below the color line. So let's now take for example. Now let me start from here. So you see, when you are looking for sell, you will look for candle that actually break what's it called, when the candle is below the color line and below 200 EMA. You look for candle that broke the candle that broke the what's it called, BD monster zone. So can you see this is the candle that break the blue line here? We are looking for the blue line. If it is buy, we'll be looking for candle that break the red line, but as we are looking for sell, it's a candle that break the blue line. Let me show you here. So can you see on this kind of things, this is the candle that actually break it here. So and we will look into 1:2. That's the key there, 1:2. And after the closing, that's your stop loss will be below the candle that break it. It is 80 pips, and which means our take profit will be 160 pips. Can you see? And 160 pips. This which is a ransom here, and our profit meet up. Can you see another thing still happening here? After this candle break this one here, it break that one here. There is another one here. I'll just quickly one because I don't want this video to long. And see another one that break it here. So let's now look into it. Now, what will be our take profit and stop loss? Stop loss will be, can you see? That's 89 pips, that's 90 pips, and take profit will be 180 pips, which is around 180 pips. Can you see? Which is around here. So that's it. And let's say this candle here actually break. Can you see this one break here? And it is 131 pips, which actually lost. It actually lost due to our stop loss. So we won't dispute that. And after sometimes we still have another candle that break it here. Can you see? This is the candle that break it successfully. This one doesn't break it successfully, but this one break it successfully. This candle break it successfully. This is the candle that cross it and break it successfully. So and our take profit will be what's it called, just after. So our stop loss will be what's it called, 28 pips, and our take profit will be 400 pips. Can you see? It's around here, and we make our profits. Can you see? Same thing happen here. Same thing happen here, where we have it that break it here. Same thing happen here. So that's it. So let's look into how many pips will it be. So our stop loss will be, what's it called, that's 191 pips, and it will be like almost 400 pips for you see it actually took the profit. And you see we have it here again, it's coming here, we have it here again. Can you see? So that's it. It's not, this thing is not holy grail, sometimes it's lost. So let's look for possible trade to, for possible option to buy. Can you see in this kind of situation, this is where it's breaking? Can you see this thing, this star zone is above the 200 and it's above the color line, and this candle break it here, this candle break it here, and if you look into it, this is the kind that break it. So let's now look into, what's it called, let's look into our stop loss will be 150 pips, which I'll take probably 300 pips around there. So that's it. As we want to link into it, we have a break here. Can you see? You can place it, and we have a break. We have a break here as well, which you can break. Place it. We have a break here as well. So that's it. So just, can you see? We have another one here. We have another one here. This candle. This candle. So our, what's it called? This candle. So our stop loss will be that's 180 pips. Can you see? We actually make our profit. So can you see? We have another one here. We have another one here. We have another one here that break it. Can you see? I'm trying to show you this thing. Although I have to use a placement, I see another one here, and we place it up to here. So we have another one that actually break it here, and it actually fail. And there is one thing in this kind of situations. Can you see? We have running trade that is running here already before we have another one that break it here. So which means we have set our stop loss of this one to this place, which means this one is not lost. To just close at this one stop loss at the entry of this one. So we have already lost here. So that's it. Yeah, can you see? We have another trade here. We have another trade here. There's another trade that actually lost here. We have another trade here that's lost. So it's coming down before we have down trade. Can you see? Down trade. So we have it like that. This is another buy trade. Can you see another buy trade? And there's one thing just to say. I always put to notice of people. When this thing cross sometimes and you see that this market is abnormal market, maybe it go a long way, you just have to let the market reverse back to 50% of the candle before you place a trade. So let's move to the live trade I'm currently trading right now. So this trade occurred today. This is 30 minutes. Can you see this candle? This candle here, it break this place. So which means at the end of this candle, I place my trade. And regarding 50%, this is where I place this yellow line here, which I have to enter my trade. So after the thing occur, I place my trade. So I place one trade here, which is what's it called, wider 14 pips running, and I have another one I place at 50% of my candle, which is running to 300 pips right now. Let me show you on my MT4 that I place the trade. I hope you can see it. So this is how it's all. How you see? I hope you see. Sorry guys. I'm just trying to yeah. So which is the trade that is running now? And you see this is the trade that's currently running now. So it's very easy. So, which is, can you see, this is running here. So can you see this is a trade running here. The first trade is from here. The first trade is from this place. Can you see? Let me show you. This is my first trade from here. This is the first trade, and this is the second trade.